My experience of teaching online began a year and a half ago, and it was a steep learning curve at the beginning. It was something that I'd never done before, and it took about 6 months to become comfortable with it. And for me in particular, I consider myself to be what we call a digital immigrant, in that I wasn't born into the world of technology. My first mobile phone wasn't until my mid 20s, and when I was a student myself, I didn't have one. So I'm getting more and more comfortable with technology all the time, quite enjoying using it now, teaching other teachers how to use technology. But if you had told me I'd be doing this a year and a half ago, I wouldn't have believed you. As a teacher, I had to adapt my style of teaching. I had to adapt my materials a lot. I had to adapt how I was speaking to my students. I had to adapt my methodology. There were so many things that I had to adapt in order to learn how to teach successfully online. And I'd like to share these ideas with you today.